Hey guys, hey guys, this is Lewis Marchman, and I'm going to show you how to record a note payable or loan payable on your business books in QuickBooks Online. Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do is be whether you're in your QuickBooks Online accountant or your QuickBooks business account. You're going to go up here and then you are. That's right. You're going to say new and you're going to say journal entry right here under other. Okay, journal entries you account as well, and the simplest way to do anything. Check this out, date field. So put it to a random date. Here's something cool about QuickBooks Online. If you go click in the date field and click the Y key, it's going to do the beginning of the year. So it's going to say 01/01/2021 for this year. If you go in there and you click the T for today, it'll bring it to today's date. So this is going to be today's date. Okay, guys. So this is what we're going to do here. We're going to record notes payable. I set this up as a liability account, which I can show you. Just call me. I'll show you how to set up accounts in QuickBooks. Other current liability. Current liability means a liability that's due in 1 year or less. A long-term liability is one that's due in more than 1 year. So 5, 10, 20, 15, 30-year term loans. Okay. So the loan amount is going to be for $500, and the name attached to it is going to be Andy Berman, who owns a company called Bach Bach, which makes designer clothes that are beautiful. He's a great friend of mine. He also is a friend of the business. So to speak. Anyway, notes payable is going to actually get credited, not debited, for a $500 loan. What happens when you credit a liability account is its balance increases. Okay, when you debit a cash or any kind of asset account, such as a checking account, cash and cash equivalents, you're going to increase that too. So now we've got a $500 credit increasing your liability of notes payable, and a $500 debit increasing your cash standing of your checking account, which is an asset, bank, or cash account. Makes sense? Pretty simple. Last thing you gotta do, just as simple, is you need to set this up yourself too, and I'll show you how to set up chart of accounts if you like, is go to interest paid, which is an expense, and you're going to debit your company's books because your company incurred the expense. So you're increasing with a debit to expense by $60 to interest expense. Therefore, you had a 12% term loan due in a month. So we'll say note payable 922 BUR for Berman. And so your grand total up here is going to change to 560 as well. So your notes payable is actually 560 because you got a portion of it that's attributable to interest and a portion of it that's attributable to principal. So we'll say here, we'll say principal. That's the loan amount. That's what you would initially borrow, just like on a mortgage, you have an interest rate. And then down here, we're going to say interest, $60. So what we end up paying out to the company that loans us the money is this $560. We're just then going to say save. Now, I did this one twice, so I'm going to do a little funky thing and delete it. And we'll go to the one that I made for the real sake of the books, and we'll go look at it on the transaction bureau for you. And here's what it looks like. You have $560 entry to notes payable. You got a $500 increase in cash and $60 increase in interest expense, or I call my interest expense account interest paid, for a grand total of $560. And you'll see that reflected on your balance sheet. If you'd like to learn more about accounting or taxation, you can follow us at www.marchmanaccounting.com. We've got a wonderful editorial and a blog and all kinds of news that go out all the time. And we keep our clients very educated. We're happy to educate other accountants as well, just because we love what we do. So www.marchmanaccounting.com is the website. Feel free to check us out on Facebook, facebook.com/marchmanaccounting. Send me an email at Lewis, L-O-U-I-S, Lewis@marchmanaccounting.com, or call anytime, 719-331-7190 or 719-551-0128. God bless. Have a great day.